voyage consists of not seeking new lands but seeking new eyes, which no one did possess earlier. Greetings, honorable judges and my intellectual audience. You are watching Chem Talks and this is your host Prabjit Singh from Delhi Public School, Vidyut Nagar. So let's begin. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, and that very interesting topic is just in front of you, so here it is. What happened? Didn't you see it? You wouldn't have indeed, because you cannot see nor smell that. Yes, now you have guessed it. It's none other than our carbon dioxide, which we popularly call CO2. A bit of nostalgia, I would like to go in the early 17th century. I can see religious turmoil, no, not here. Then I can see William Shakespeare, no, not again. Yes, this is the right place. We are going to meet Van Helmont, who is popularly known as the founder of pneumatic chemistry. I can see he is keenly observing some vapors which are different from the normal air. He called these vapors gas. But today we know that by IUPAC nomenclature we call these vapors carbon dioxide. He further discovered that such vapors are also produced in the process of fermentation and other physiological processes. He did a marvelous work indeed. But his so amazing work is under controversies today because carbon dioxide gas is known to be a significant contributor in the global warming effect. Increased temperature, climate change, melting glaciers are some of its many adverse impacts. And that is what Greta Thunberg is also fighting for. Friends, we saw that on one hand, carbon dioxide is very important for the survival of human mankind. But at the same time, when in excess in the atmosphere, it is very harmful to us. But if we can extract the excess CO2 in our environment and use it for our purposes, for example to drive vehicles, because it contains carbons and fuel is nothing but a hydrocarbon, then it would be truly a boon for us. And this very process, this very innovation is what we call carbon dioxide recycling. The modern science knows how to recombine the carbon from carbon dioxide and the hydrogen from water to form hydrocarbons, which we popularly know by the popular name fuel. It would be chemically the same fuel as we are using now, and it would be truly a great step ahead. Our world consists of 1 billion cars, to say so. We cannot convert each and every car of the world to an electric vehicle. That is very costly and we cannot afford it. But what if we just change the fuel? This we can do it by carbon recycling. What we just have to do is to filter out CO2 from other gases as it passes through a smokestack, and then directly extracting CO2 from the atmosphere, a process which we call the negative emissions technology. It is estimated that if we switch to this technology, 90% of the waste, of the carbon waste our industries are making daily can be recycled. Now we have to think upon it. And remember that it's not just about saving just a polar bear or a melting glacier. It's about saving the whole humanity. In my point of view, if this technology is brought into existence with the existing zero emission goals, then it would be truly a great step ahead towards a green planet, a safer planet, a better place to live in. Thank you. Have a nice day.